Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another crypto related video. The site is new mining site, so it's not one day is running. So it's running now 0 days. So it's new mining site. If you want to join this site, please how to join this. I also after introduce my YouTube video, then I also introduce this. So first I introduce my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Crypto and Travel. Here's the two part. One part crypto related video uploaded in this, and other part travel related video uploaded in this. If you get any information on those related, please subscribe and press the bell icon. You will receive all notification very fastly. Now I introduce my Telegram group, which name is BTS Satoshi gift card exchange. If you for money, if you have a increase your you need to increase your mining power, please join my Telegram group. Here share your hash card and gift card. Another option, you can collect your essential card from my Telegram. My Telegram already free, 163 members in my site. So I request to you, please join now for open of cryptocurrency. So many of the people share their hash card and also gift card, and you also can share your hash card and gift card. So no restriction, and I request to you, please share your gift card. If you gift card share, they will benefit both. So I request it, no more waste your time, please share now. Now I introduce my now I go to my main topic. How to join the core mining. Come to my Telegram YouTube channel and select this playlist option and choose this video, core mining registration video. So you watch the first video, joining video A to Z available, information available here. So that you come to this option and choose this any one link, then click and registration process complete. When it was completed registration, then you select this option gift card. So how to use this card and how to increase your mining power, all everything available here in this video. So when you complete this video, you come to this option, and here is a all everything give 50k 50 gift card available here. So you can anyone use this. Now you come to Twitter account. How to use this Twitter account? Here is a I show it. Okay, now you if you use this, you mining power increasing 50k. So then come to this hash power exchange video, and also Satoshi hash card video, how to get this Satoshi card, all everything information, how to add to MetaMask wallet in your core mining. So all everything information here. So you can easily you can show this video, you will easily join this now. Now this next option, you with the registration or validator option, how to validator. So it will be very easy. So now what do you please next option, you will if you use this, you will get great benefit in future. So now I go to my main topic. if you want to reinvestment this site, please click this also, it will be reinvestment. If you withdraw this site, come to this withdraw option, and because of I also reinvestment, there's that result, it will increase my deposit. So if you uh, join the promoted or bounty program, if you get 50 days power free. And also Twitter account have you 100 followers, then 5 days, and Facebook 5 days, minimum 100 friends, but you need to only for referring, you must be shared there, you referring in this site. Okay, both side. So how to join? If you support any question, please type here, it will be in now. So now how to join this site? When you come to my link, then here is the dashboard. It's site one day এবং it's 1 day 47 deposit bonus. So you need to wallet address, so go to your wallet and collect your doggy address. Any wallet address available has, but must be must be doggy wallet address. Then you type your password. So I fill up this. Now I fill up it, and now go option, already payout site, so it has a link show. You can save your doggy. How to use this and how to retweet or invite the doggy joining site. Okay, so come to this, and you go to your referral link option and copy this referral and share the YouTube, Facebook, and also Twitter account. Then it will be easily joining the site. Okay, so and you when you post this advertise, copy this link address and paste here, then you will give this bonus, DH power bonus. Okay, now I also fill up this, try to, you must be post link and paste now. That's what this is survey for review. Okay, now you come to another option, and also Facebook DS power. Okay, and other also, when I video uploaded in this site, and I also review this. Alhamdulillah is also review this. Okay, so it will working now. Now I was waiting, and I have to finish this video, then I have to YouTube this advertise, and also then I you link copy and paste here. So then I waiting for receive 20 doggy power. So I request you join now, and if you want to mining this site, deposit this site as you own thinking, but if you, this site is $1, one doggy will withdraw from. So firstly join now and keep mining. What do you thinking about this video? Please type your comment my comment box, and also join my Telegram group, share your opinion. So no more today, pray for money every time, remember to Allah. So come on back to core mining, and also come to join now this site. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.